Let's proceed to another operation. So we have the multiplication of fractions. So ito ang procedure to multiply two or more fractions. Multiply their corresponding terms. So ibig sabihin nun, numerator by numerator. Multiply all the numerators, then multiply all the denominators. So, ibig sabihin, numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. And then, the common factors of the numerator and denominators are usually cancelled before multiplying para maging mas mabilis yung pag-create ng lowest term. Okay? Halimbawa, meron tayong 2/3 times 3/4 times 4/5. So wala tayong problema kung similar man sila or dissimilar fractions sa multiplication. So ang gagawin naman natin is i-multiply lahat ng numerator, i-multiply lahat ng denominator. So unahin natin yung numerator. We have 2 times 3 times 4. So ito yon, 2 times 3 times 4. Then we have denominators 3 times 4 times 5. Ito yung part na yon. 3 times 4 times 5. Now, sabi dito, the common factors are usually cancelled or divided para maging mas mabilis yung pag-create ng lowest term. So, halimbawa, may nakita tayong parehas sa numerator at denominator which is 3. So, madidivide dyan o makakancel. Then, meron ding 4 na madidivide o makakancel. Kaya ang natira na lang is 2 sa numerator, then 5 sa denominator. So, ito na yung final answer natin, 2/5. Kasi common factors 3 and 4 are divided or cancelled. Ibig sabihin, 2/3 times 3/4 times 4/5 is 2/5. So, that's the answer. Let's have additional example. In this case, mixed numbers are involved. So, ito yung process pag mixed number naman ang i-multiply. So, convert first to improper fractions before multiplying, or another method yung tinatawag na distributive property. So, ipapakita ko parehas yung dalawang process na to. Unahin muna natin yung pag-convert to improper fraction. So, makikita natin dito sa example, we have 2 and 1/3 times 3 and 3/4. So, convert natin parehas into improper fractions. Ganito tayo mag-convert. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So, 7 over 3. Next, 4 times 3 is 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 over 4. So, improper fractions na sila. Saka natin i-multiply ang numerator sa numerator, then denominator sa denominator. So, that is 7 times 15 para sa numerator, then 3 times 4 para sa denominator. Now, sabi nga natin, para mabilis yung pag-process ng lowest term, i-factor natin parehas. At kung meron mang common factor, madidivide yun o makakancel. So, katulad nitong 15, so pwede natin siyang i-divide, i-factor ng 5 and 3. So, magkakaroon ngayon tayo ng 3 sa numerator at 3 sa denominator. Kaya madidivide siya or makakancel. Ang natira na lang sa taas is 7 times 5, which is 35, then 4 sa denominator. Yan. So, this is the answer for improper fraction. So, pwede i-convert natin siya into mixed number kasi mixed number naman yung given natin. So, 35 over 4 ay equivalent sa mixed number na 8 and 3/4. So, bali ang nangyari dyan is 35 divided by 4. So, this is 8. Then, 32 minus 3. Ito ay remainder. So, plus remainder over 4. Kaya 8 and 3/4. So, meaning to say, 2 and 1/3 times 3 and 3/4, the answer is 8 and 3/4. So this is the process of multiplication of fractions na involve ang mixed fraction using the distributive property. So kanina, ang ginamit natin is conversion to improper fractions, then proceed to multiplication. So ito yung another alternative method. So same given from earlier, 2 and 1/3 times 3 and 3/4. So ganito pinaprocess ang distributive property. So i-separate natin ang whole number at proper fractions. Ang 2 and 1/3 katumbas siya ng 2 plus 1/3. Then ang 3 and 3/4 katumbas siya ng 3 plus 3/4. So ang mangyayari ngayon dito is para siyang multiplication of binomial or the FOIL method. So una, 2 times 3, which is 2 times 3. Then 2 times 3/4. Then yung loob naman, 1/3 times 3. Then 1/3 times 3/4. Then saka natin siya i-simplify. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3/4 is 6 over 4. Then 1/3 times 3 is 1. Then 1/3 times 3/4 is 1/4. Now, simplify further. 6 plus 1 is 7. 6 over 4 plus 1/4 is 7 over 4. So, kung tutusin, ang sagot is 7 and 7 over 4. Dahil improper fraction to, gawin natin siyang mixed number para maging proper fraction na lang yung fractional part. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay 7 plus 7 over 4. So, ang 7 over 4 ay katumbas ng pag 7 divided by 4, so we have 1. Then 1 times 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Remainder 3. So plus 3 over 4. So 7 plus 1 and 3/4. Kaya ang sagot dyan is 8 and 3/4, which is here. So ibig sabihin, 2 and 1/3 times 3 and 3/4 is equals to 8 and 3/4. So that is how we process the distributive property kung mixed number ang involved.